Okay, what's up guys? Let me know if you hear me good. It's Wednesday, first day of July. June is done. Yesterday monthly candle close. We break it down, we look at the monthly chart. And yesterday I was not looking at the chart. Monday I sent some idea, but get wrecked. And today we got Fed Chairman Kevin Walsh speaks at 3 p.m. CST, and ISM Manufacturing PMI 1 hour ago. Negative for the dollar, so we'll see how it impacts the market soon. Christian didn't do anything on my funded, yeah. With funding accounts, I'm a bit done, and I have hidden rules, every of them, and when you make too much money, they trying to wreck you. So I have a plan for this week. At Monday, start with a live account and scale it. I will share that journey on the Discord, but I will start next week because we have short week, Friday bank holiday, and I was busy yesterday, today till afternoon also, so don't have a time to look at the chart for it. And tomorrow we will have a bonus session 10 minutes before NFP. I will do bonus session, and then at 5 p.m. Central European time we have another one. So 2 sessions tomorrow. First 10 minutes before NFP, it's gonna be bonus session, and after at 5 p.m. regular one. It's time to fund my life, yeah. Yeah, it's good to start, make some money, and then go for the live account, because with live account you are free, you don't have any specific rules. I believe trading is hard enough to deal with prop firms. It's good for the start, collect money and put that money into live account. That's a plan. With live account you have no cycles, you have no limits, you have no one above you who said your trade is not good with our rules, you know. Yeah, so today Fed chair speaks 2 hours ago, and 1 hour ago ISM Manufacturing PMI. Let's look at the chart. Black Bull for life. Q markets. Yeah, I was using Q markets. Oh. It's looking like an accumulation, something like here. And sellers can be done, to be honest. Let's see. Daily high, big volume, another big volume, another big volume. Let's see, we are still below the MA20, daily candles going down, but look at the monthly first before we do anything. Oh, monthly is going to support by EMA20. To be honest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of bearish gold, because that green one didn't flip the top, so I count it as bearish, because that was bearish move to the downside, pull back and start printing to the downside. So 5 months of bearish gold. Seven weeks in a row, red candles on Oenda. When we have 7 weeks in a row in the past. Yeah, probably in prehistoric. Oh, there is 7. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, we have 7 weekly candles red, bearish. 10 years ago, last time, when we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bearish candles on weekly. 10 years ago. Cool story, bro. Trap candle. Oh, I got a trap. Okay. Value area high. EMA 20. Okay. So gold can do a pullback on the bigger time frame. Maybe here sweep that trap candle. and reaction to the downside. I don't know if we make another low, because volume decrease with every low, volume go down, so sellers can be done. See, oh, that was not, that was bigger, that was bigger volume. So yeah, sellers in the control, bigger volume here, but then new low with lower volume, another low not that far away. When we see the size here, the distance between, it's big, between low and lower one, it's big. But here it's not that big, like here, it's not that far away. Another one also not that far away, and volume still decrease. We have 7 weeks in a row of the bearish candles. Last time 10 years ago. We have 5 months of bearish gold. So with bigger pullback I will be not surprised. There is a trap one. We can sweep that trap candle body, like here. We sweep it. Maybe we can also push above this level. 2222. Push above and go for another low, maybe. For me it's looking like a reaccumulation now, all of this move, because that lows are, like I said, very short distance between another low. There's very short distance, and gold spent a lot of time around same price. It's looking like accumulation, for real. Spring, sweep. Fake out to the downside of this accumulation. Volume going down still. Will be funny if they sweep that double top here and die. I don't know, I want to see it higher. I want to see the direction, then I will jump in. We can see some pullback now because we sweep the double top. So maybe we can see some pullback. There is trap candle, 0.5 fib. If gold start dropping, there is a good area to look for the reaction. If gold start dropping, we have area for the reaction. And overall I want to see it inside this box. For me, that box will be final target for buys, and I want to see price action inside, because from this box, when we get there, we can go for another low not for distance away, or for the pullback, revisit that volume again, and we get the reversal for the longer time. So we'll see. I'm not touching gold. I'm not in any position. If we just start pushing up, for me it's okay. I don't need to trade this week. I don't need to trade this week, so if they just go up, I'm fine. If they do the pullback, I will looking for buys inside the box. And if they just skip that box and go higher, I will wait for the price action inside the box. I have no stress this week, and I don't have FOMO, so it's okay. But gold can make a bottom here. Look how much time gold spent in the same price. That was a shorter period of time. On previous bottom also, quick reaction. And same, quick reaction. But now we can watch potential accumulation. It can be potential accumulation for real reversal. We'll see. You know, in the downtrend, rules for the trend is sweep the liquidity, like here, and sells. If you are confident, maybe you can take this sell. Maybe we're going for another low with sweep of the liquidity. But I'm not touching it. Fake out to the downside, maybe fake out to the upside. We'll see. I don't want to deal with noise. It's a lot of noise, you know. When I see a proper breakout to the upside or downside, candle close here or here, because look, we never get candle close above and never get candle close below. That candles reject, just sweep. That candles just sweep and reject. Even for the scalpers, when you see candle close below or above, you can just go with the momentum. Yeah, and gold trying to sell. After liquidity sweep. So maybe. But the best choice is candle close. For sure. That will be good confirmation. Because we really dealing with the noise now. And you don't need to feel FOMO when you see price action like this. You can try to sell at the top, buy at the bottom. It's also okay. I saw people FOMO. I'm over that now. I'm waiting as well, yeah. Sometimes the best decision, the best choice is patient. And my choice for this week is patient. So, we have gold. Everything is clean on gold for you guys. So we can drop to another assets. Clean, okay. So let's go to the dollar. Dollar is also ranging from our zone. It got to it, tap the zone and react. Not good. Oh man. It still have room to go, so we'll see. I will do the same as for gold. Bigger pullback. I want to see bigger pullback on dollar. There is some imbalance. Big green candle, breakout, making another high. So I will wait with dollar also for the pullback. On the daily. And macro, same. Silver, GG. I don't like it. Yeah, so that's silver, very similar to gold, very similar to dollar. I want to see overall bigger pullback for the macro continuation, but for now we can see a smaller one to play into macro analysis. So we don't need to wait for this box to sell, we can just play buys into this box. S&P do the breakout, pulls back and running, so that one is pretty good. I hope you already save your position with break even. We do this breakout here, pulls back to the idea and run. It's 1 to 2 for now. Yeah, let's hope it's hit the full target. It's on the good way, you know, for the full target, so I believe we can do it today or tomorrow. Euro dealing with the zone, react a bit, sweep it to the upside. And for the euro, I also want to euro seems like already start moving to the downside. We'll see, but let me make fibs. I will skip it because euro can just continue to the downside from where it's at now, so I'm just skip it. I'm waiting for the zones, trap candle or box. GU, return to the entry after 1 to 1.5. Imbalance, retrary, perfect between weeks. So with GU, same like with euro. CHF still waiting for the opportunity, still waiting to comes for us in our zones, so patient. Bitcoin don't want to go more down. I need to clean the chart because it's messy. And Bitcoin, every bull market, it's around 3 years, and bear market is around 1 year. We start the bear market in August, so almost 1 year ago. Every cycle pulls back around 80%, like here, 77, 82, and I can find another one here, but you know, it's around 80%. How much we need? 80% is around 25k. Liquidity here. Yeah, I think Bitcoin maybe can do a pullback, but it's still downside. So I still want to see Bitcoin around 50k. We have 2 months to fill whole year, so there is a zone for Bitcoin sells. 63.2 to 65.2, and that's gonna be sell zone for Bitcoin. Wait, why I can't? Okay. Oh, what's going on with connection? Yeah, so we have Bitcoin, and when we have trouble with connection, I'm just jumping to oil as very quick. Oil for sure. Oil don't want to grab us and make another low, so oil skip because it's still expanding to the downside, and I believe we can hit target soon in July probably. So with that bad connection, I'm just finished this session. That's gonna be it from myself. If you have any question, put it on the Discord, because as we see, connection is bad for some reason. So I said everything what I want. We break down every asset here. So we see tomorrow with the bonus session, then we see once again with regular one, and I believe the storm comes soon, because air is so heavy now to breathing. We have a very high temperature in Poland, so give me the rain, please, or storm. Yeah, that's gonna be it from myself. Thank you guys for being here with me today. If you have some question, put it on the Discord, but I believe you get some value from today's session. So wish you a nice rest of the day, and we see tomorrow. Bye bye.